you'll see him. Here we have the blue guys. The bluers, the Arctic, the greens, the oranger, the chocolater, the clear guy, the clear yellow guys, the multicolored guy, the green guys too. What are these different? And we have the clear reds, the cat's eye red version, cat's eye blue, cat's eye green. I think we had this before. No, the redder, the lime, lemon.
Okay, who's in the first race?
We have the oranger, Ori, the chocolater, matcha, the Arctic, Arto, and from this one, cyan.
Okay, put them into the tub.
The one with the shortest time wins. 3, 2, 1, release! What? Oh no! That Arctic is big!
Push it down.
Whee! There Arctic goes! He will win! No one knows! Cyan is in the lead, seems like. I'm not sure. He's in second place.
Who's about to win, Tig?
Oh no! Oh, Cyan's about to win. The winner is Cyan. And the runner-up, Oranger, Aro. And Matcha is the second runner-up. And in last place, Atakudo!